Dick Rochfort, this is the RNAV3 at Cincinnati Lunken, the G1000 NXI M500. M500 equipped with G1000 NXI on the RNAV3. Right, glide is alive. 130 knots, not yet. Not yet. Wait for the glide to capture. 130 knots. Excellent. We're looking for 130 knots to the marker, 120 to the lights. We do that clean with power. Once the glide path captures, go down, gear down, not show flaps. Power to 300-ish. Looking for 120 knots in the descent. Once the path marker is on the runway icon on the PFD, we can look outside. And tonight we have early visual on the runway. We can track that inbound. Recommend we stay on the autopilot until we're a little closer. There's no need to be in a rush, particularly at night. So the cues we're looking for are, this is a towered airport, so there's no need to...
4 Mike Alpha, Sigma.
4 Mike Alpha, 3 rights, clear to land.
Clear to land, 3 right, 4 Mike Alpha.
So landing light on. Recommend pulse go to taxi now. Verify that strobes are off. Good. Hold your 120 knots out here until you're ready for slower. Do that with power. Now with care, you can see what the airplane is doing. It's grabbing to the left in order to maintain the center line. So when you're ready to take off the autopilot, the best thing you could be is solid in the seat, shoulder blades tight to the seat, head still, double tap the autopilot off, and add flaps.
500.
And just keep that pitch, that's it. That's good, that's what I'm talking about. Trim down so you don't give up runway. Okay, nose is too low, pick it up. Yep, that's it right there. Looking good. Path marker can help too. We're a half a dot high, which is okay. Keep the nose right where it is. When you're ready for slower, flaps. All right, flaps are full. Just keep what you got. This is looking good. It's going to be left thumb on the trim. And not yet, but when it's time, we're going to squeeze the power to flight idle as we get into the flare. Looking good. Here comes the center line. Nice. Arrest the descent. Arrest it quicker. Right there.
All right, trade 6 Delta, extend your
Right.
downwind. Traffic will be
Good.
citation. Take runway for departure.
Nice.
Extend downwind 36 Delta.
Back to that center line. It's not reserved for professionals. Good. Nice. Now we're looking for a yellow leader. Don't look for taxi
4
signs.
Mike Alpha, turn left Delta, ground point 9.
Left Delta, ground point 9, 4 Mike Alpha.
Stay in the center, but favor the right side. And here comes Delta here. Other left. So work yourself over 18 inches left of the center line, right there. That's where that yellow line is going to appear, right in front of your taxi light or your landing lights. Slow down.
Gelling 83, 3 right. Clear
Be
for
at
takeoff,
turning
fly
speed
runway
when you get to that leader. So slow down.
Clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
Stay with the leader.
83.
Don't leave that leader. That's it. You should be doing this in the day anyway. Slow down. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Nice, very nicely done. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off.
Archer 86 Delta, caution white turbine supporting citation traffic, 3 right, cleared for the option.